Hi, my name is Gurgevich. I'm from European Union and I discovered that the Big Bang is false. I discovered a lot of things, okay? So one of them is that the stars are small and they are in a radius of 26 billion kilometers. Okay, you believe me or not, I don't care. I want to laugh at this generation of the entire earth and the lies that you are saying to the entire earth. This is from Future Unity.
Here is how it works. When a star weighs more than about 8 times the Sun's mass, it burns through its hydrogen fuel quickly. The drama begins when a massive star runs low on one fuel and taps into another. The core contracts and grows hotter and denser until the previous nuclear reaction's ash undergoes fusion itself. After the hydrogen reservoir is used up, the star starts to burn helium, carbon, neon, oxygen, and silicon in that order.
This kind of lies everybody says. This kind of lies were invented by some old farts, scientific farts. Okay, that the stars make fusion. The fusion is not known, okay? It is not a science or an earth. You can lie, but you are stupid and you do not know science. The entire earth who lies like this is stupid and you make wrong doings and things for humanity, okay, by lying. The stars are not making fusion. We do not know how to fuse hydrogen in iron. It is not a science, viable science on the earth. So I want to laugh at this generation when these things will be found, okay? The stars are smaller than the moon, 90% of the stars, and they are made from metals. Even including our sun, it is from metal. It is from iron, from NASA side. You will watch. You say this from your own heads, like from your old mental farts, that the sun fuses. It is not fuses from NASA. You will see in NASA channel if you want. There are 10 different ions of iron, okay, of iron. The sun is made, it's an electromagnetic motor that producing from iron light, and there's few other ions of carbon from NASA side, okay? So stop lying that it fuses from NASA channel, that this was researched. The sun is made from iron, okay? So stop lying the entire earth. The sun do not fuses hydrogen in iron, and the stars do not burn combustible, okay? They are not like this. The stars are even cold. They are not like our sun. They do not produce thermal energy, okay? So start lying there that you know science. You are lying the entire earth. The stars are made from metals. Millions of stars are smaller than the moon. They are made from metals and they are producing only light, and they are cold. Seems strange to you or not, they are cold. And they are like fountain, they are extracting even energy. Wireless energy, electromagnetic energy, because they are put in the cloud of electromagnetic energy that has 20 hours the speed of light from Pluto. So stop lying there that you know science. The atoms, they do not know where they were made, okay? I don't have time to explain to you all the things in one video, so I'm telling you one by one why I discover. If you listen or not, the next generation will laugh at this stupid dark ages of science, okay? The stars do not make fusion. We do not know this on Earth. It is not a known science that fuses hydrogen in iron and gold. I will give you hydrogen. You could not give me iron, gold. These are old lies. There is not a science that fuses hydrogen in superior elements, okay? They were lying this, and you stay like this, like cretins, like imbeciles, okay? Stop lying the earth. The stars are small and they are in a radius of 20 hours with the speed of light. Believe me or not.
The problem, however, is that each successive fuel releases less energy and the star burns through it faster. Moreover, once carbon ignites, the core's temperature approaches 1 billion degrees. Yes, 1 billion degrees. Neutrinos form and escape in greater numbers. These neutrinos quickly exit the star, and to compensate for the energy loss, the core burns its nuclear fuel even faster.
The temperature, it's a limited function, okay? You don't stop lying that you know science. You do not know science. Stop lying the earth. There is not 1 billion degrees. I'm from Europe, so I'm telling you in Celsius. You will see what Celsius means if you have some heads, okay? If you do not have a head and mind, there is not 1 billion degrees Celsius and 1,000,000 degrees. The temperature is a limited function. It stops. The water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. All the Mendeleev elements, atoms, the tungsten is 3,000 degrees and it melts. Some ceramics are 5,000 degrees and it melts. The pure wave that producing 50,000 degrees. The temperature is a limited function. Stop lying the earth that you know science. There is not 1 billion degrees and 1,000,000 degrees in any temperature. And stop lying the earth with these stupid things, okay? Stop pretending that you know science for visualization. The stars are close, they are cold, and they are producing only light. They do not fuse. We do not know how the atoms were made, okay? Goodbye.
That it forces electrons, which are the star's main pressure source, inside nuclei. The electrons transform some protons into neutrons. Both processes remove the pressure that supports the star. With pressure losses mounting and no new energy source to tap, the star's battle with gravity is over.
Stop lying the entire earth that you know science. Stop lying, okay? The protons do not make neutrons, okay? Stop lying that you know science. You are making me angry, okay? You are lying the entire earth with these stupid things. Okay? Stop lying that you know science. The protons do not become neutrons, okay? Stop lying in stars. Stars do not make fusion. Stop lying the entire earth. You are making me angry, okay? You are liars. The stars are at 26 billion kilometers, all of them. All the stars are small from metals. Smaller than the moon are a billion of stars. And they are in the radius of 20 billion kilometers from Pluto. Okay? Stop lying the earth. The protons do not become neutrons. Stop lying. Stop pretending that you know science. Okay?